The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord can tend to kink near the handle. This can lead to broken wires. Left unprotected, the cord can also rub against the handle housings, eventually rubbing through the insulation, leaving bare wires. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the handle assembly. With the handle opened up, now I can remove the clamp that secures the cord to the housing. The white wires are secured with a wire nut, and I'll remove it. The black wire is secured to the switch with a screw. And now I can remove the strain relief from the cord. Now install the new strain relief. Thread the wires through it and onto the outer insulation. Now I'll begin reconnecting the wires. First the black cord wire, and the two white wires. I'll realign the cord with the housing where the cord clamp is located, and I'll make sure that the strain relief fits into the opening in the housing. And I'll replace the cord clamp. I'll tuck all the wires back into the housing. And now it's ready to reinstall the handle. I'll make sure that all the wires are out of the way, and then install the upper half of the handle assembly. And that's how easy it is to replace the cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.